Honorable Chief Guest, Dr. M. Lakshmi Kumari, Director, Vivekananda Kendra, Sri S.G. Rajagopala Prabhu, Chairman of Bhavans, Kodungalur Kendra, and Honorable Principal of Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan, and all other teachers and parents, my dear children, and all the PTA members, and all others. Definitely, first let me thank the great management of this school and the PTA principal for entrusting me this great opportunity to stand in before you in the capacity of a PTA president. I never felt that I am an eligible person for this post. Anyway, I was nominated. And with regard to the studies of this progress of the school, I think Dr. Lakshmi Kumari's speech was so illuminating that there is nothing further to say on the development of studies. If I have stated anything more, it will be a big zero. Moreover, even though I was not satisfied when I was elected or not elected, when I was nominated as a PTA president, today I am very happy and proud to say that I am the PTA president of the Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan, even though I am not eligible for the same. But today I seen that the organizing capacity of the management. So first of all, I can understand that it is the capability of Mr. S.G. Rajagopala Prabhu, who is the chairman of the Bhavans, who has built this school, who has developed this school, who is now also along with this school, is the only person who is behind every progress of this school. Definitely I am not saying that there is no other person except Rajagopala Prabhu, but he is the only one who is giving the proper guidance to this school. That is to be appreciated first. And then I am saying with regard to Dr. M. Lakshmi Kumari, even though I have heard her name, because I have seen her name in several notices. For the first time I meet her, and I think that I am the luckiest person today. It is the luckiest and happiest day today for me, for meeting two such personalities like Dr. M. Lakshmi Kumari and Sri S.G. Rajagopala Prabhu, because that two ingredients joined together, and I happened to be I happened to be a person to have their friendship today, because only because of my PTA presidentship I can talk to them, I realize them what they are. Then I need to say, even though I already told you that there is no meaning in speaking about the progress of the school with regard to the studies, I wish to say some incidents in my life with regard to the studies. Even though I am not such a leading advocate as stated by my learned principal, but I am very happy to hear it from the principal that I am a leading advocate. As any other advocate, I am very happy. But it is not true. Anyway, I am saying that the learned principal has sufficiency, because I am saying it from my own experience, that I could not give attention to my children as required in the same capacity as a children required, because of my work and other things. But I never felt that they have lost or they have suffered anything because of they have not getting any quality from the education. So, because I am not giving any coaching from my side to my children, so but I never felt that they are much inferior from the average. Definitely, because I agree, and you also agree that it is only because of the efficiency of the teachers here. So I sincerely, along with you, express our gratitude towards the teachers. Because Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan, as I could not say in the language of Dr. Lakshmi Kumari, who is a very great person, I understood today. Anyway, I am trying to make it in my own words that this, I want to give you children a message that I do not know whether I can convey to in the same sense in which I am meaning. That because Dr. M. Lakshmi Kumari told you that what is the meaning of Bharatiya. So I want to say you that even if you are working any countries, after completing your education, you should have to be proud to say that you are an Indian, not a Keralite, you are an Indian. Because you may think that there are several developed countries more than India, like USA, UK, and other so many countries. I am not saying that India is not a bad country, but you may kindly think for one moment that whether they have got any leader like our Mahatma Gandhi. Never. So, even though there are developed countries, they don't have a leader like Mahatma Gandhi. So, you should be proud to say, wherever you reach the position, you should have to be proud to say that you are an Indian. So, I think you can realize what I do mean. I do not know to what extent I have succeeded. Anyway, I am saying the same thing. And then with regard to the teachings, one personal experience of, I am not saying the school, but I wish to enlighten you with regard to that aspect, that the quality of the teachers and the principal and the other teachers who are working behind, especially Girija teacher, I should definitely state that name, because all the coordinating work of their effort, sincere work, this school has reached to this position. And I was so much shocking to see the organizing capacity of the school today. There is even definitely there is the active participation of the PTA members. Even though I am a PTA president, definitely I am not. But the other PTA members are the active members. Especially Usman is an active member of the PTA. I could not ignore that aspect before. Could not ignore that aspect. I am not hiding that aspect from you. Uttaman, Uma, and Atmarama also are the active PTA members, and they are struggling for the school for every matter which came for the school. Then I wish to say extreme sorry to Professor Narayan Menon, Narayan Menon, who ought to have been in the stage. I have not noticed that he is sitting there. He should have to be in the stage. I extremely express my sorry to notice your absence in the stage. As a PTA president, I am saying extreme sorry to you, sir. Anyway, you also have a big hand behind the school. And one thing, Your Honor, one thing you think that because I am a lawyer, I have to always come that some lawyer friends are laughing by hearing my speech, because I always state Your Honor. So he is laughing at me by hearing my speech. Anyway, want to say that I am very happy to, not standing as a PTA president, but as a parent. I am very happy to say that my children are studying in Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan, because such a good school, such a good management, such a good PTA, and such good sincere efforts without any gratification or anything. So we have to be proud. We parents have to be proud about the school. We have to encourage them, and I definitely seek your help for one aspect, I think you will cooperate. Give a big clap for the efficiency and the management of our principal. Because she is an efficient person. I have never seen such a personality. I could not explain. Whatever I have explained, it will be nothing. Because her efficiency has made the entire discipline in the school. And one thing I want to say with regard to one personal experience, I do not know you are bored with my speech. Anyway, I am exceeding the limit. The thing is that my neighbor, Dr. Shaji's daughter, Sanjana Shaji, one of them in the 3-1, along with Nishana and one other girl, who secured the gold medals from here in the 10th standard, told her experience to me. But she never expected that it will be, I will tell it before you, but I will definitely tell, only to make you convince the quality of the teachers. Because after getting these medals from this school, she has gone to another school for getting more coaching in the entrance examination. I am not stating the name of the school to which she is sent. It is not a bad school. But when she reached the school, she told me that, Auntie, now I realize that the quality of the teachers of the Bharatiya Vidya school. Because the teaching quality and the capacity and the sincerity of the school is very wide than the school in which I am presently studying. So I once more request you to give a big clap to the teachers who are sincere to you, and we should encourage them with such the attitude, and we should encourage them the feeling that we are still with them. So I am concluding because I know you are very anxious for the coming cultural programs. I am not prolonging it because your patience is lost. Anyway, I am concluding, and I am saying that, and one request, I forgot that is, if any parent has got any complaint, such a nice principal, such a nice Girija teacher, such a nice teachers, I am not saying that I am nice, but you can approach anybody for any complaint. You do not worry, they will definitely accept your complaint. Consider it, and they will make any solution for that. So don't make our school in a trouble. We should not be a reason for making a trouble to this school. I am not blaming anybody. Anybody has not done anything to this school to destroy it. I do not mean it. But I mean that if you have any complaint with regard to the school or the teacher or anything, you should first approach. It is a request. As a PTA president, it is a request that you should have to approach. Any one of them I have already stated. There will be a grievance, definitely a grievance. And there will be a remedy also from the management. So I request that, and I definitely am very happy to have a PTA president of the Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan, because only because of that I can make myself believe that this school is in such a progressive condition. So I feel that we all, not I am saying that I request, we all request the teachers that, and we all suggest the teachers that we are with you. So I am not prolonging because cultural programs are yet to start, and hence I am concluding that, and I wish the entire success for the entire program. Thank you.